Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to download your designs in PNG format in Canva. PNG files are great for high-quality images, especially when you need transparency or sharp visuals for web and presentations. Now, on your Canva dashboard, to download a design in PNG format, we just need to click the Share button in the upper right corner. Here, we just need to click Download, and then, for the file type, we will change it to PNG. Once we're done, we just need to click Download. As you can see, it is now downloading as a PNG. When we confirm and check the file type, it is a PNG file. And that's how we can download our designs as a PNG in Canva in just a few simple steps.